A new NBC News tally reports since the start of the pandemic, COVID cases in the U.S. now top 47 million. Think about this. At the beginning of this month, we were at 46 million cases, meaning in just 13 days, we added a million more. More than 765,000 people in the U.S. have died. And although some states, including Georgia, are seeing a decrease in cases, others are climbing again. Last week, we were ranked as one of the lowest states for new COVID cases, which is good news. But some cold weather states, they are already seeing increases again. Now remember, the virus thrives in cool, dry air and when people gather indoors, especially when they're unmasked. That's why some health officials say now is not the time to get rid of masks, hand sanitizers, and other measures. They say the COVID-19 pandemic still poses a threat, and they're concerned about the possibility of another surge as the U.S. heads into the end of the year holiday season. John Loring reports.
The U.S. is making progress in the fight against COVID-19, but the war is not over.
Yes, cases are down about half where they were at the beginning of September, but put that into context. We're still seeing about 4 to 5 times as many cases as we were seeing in June.
Average new coronavirus cases are up in 19 states over the past week compared to the week before, according to Johns Hopkins University data, and more hospitalizations in 11 states, according to Health and Human Services data.
We're already seeing in places in Europe that even in countries that have higher vaccination rates than we do, that they are going through a massive winter surge. And I'm very worried about the holidays ahead.
AAA predicts nearly 53.5 million Americans will leave home to see family and friends for Thanksgiving. That's a 13% rise from last year, and some health experts say these gatherings could lead to another spike.
If you have to travel, make sure that you're wearing a mask. A properly fitting surgical mask or a KN95 are the best options, especially when you're in closed spaces around people whose vaccination status you're not aware of.
Some medical experts say getting a COVID-19 shot would be a good present for people to give their loved ones.
Everybody who's eligible to be vaccinated should be vaccinated, including now children 5 to 11, and also all those eligible to get boosters should do so too.
The ongoing pandemic is also going to hit some Americans in the wallet. On Friday night, the federal government announced a significant hike in Medicare premiums, which officials partially blame on the pandemic.